Hello, today I'm going to show you a very fast way to create a grid that can be useful for making logos. First, let's select the rectangle tool and draw a big square. Next, go to Object, Path and select Split into Grid. Turn on the preview box to see what we are doing. Let's make 10 rows and 10 columns. Now switch to the Selection tool to select everything and then right-click and select Make Guides. Now we will create this simple logo. Let's swap the fill and the stroke and create the first shape. Be sure everything is aligned with the grid. Next, create a copy and repeat the last step one more time. Switch to the Ellipse tool and create a circle starting at this intersection and ending at this one. Next, select this shape, go to Shape from the top toolbar and copy the width value. Now select the circle, go to Object, Path, Offset Path, highlight the value in the offset window and then press the minus symbol on your keyboard. Now paste the value we've copied previously. Click OK. Next, select everything, go to the Shape Builder tool and while you are holding down the Alt key, click on the shapes that you wish to delete. Let's connect these shapes together and then these ones. Switch to the Selection tool and double-click on this shape to open the isolation mode. Using the Direct Selection tool, select all anchor points on top and bring them down. Now click on one of the round corner widgets and drag it all the way down. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit the isolation mode. Switch to the Selection tool and select everything. Let's create a copy. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl F to paste it in front. Next, press the letter R for the Rotate tool and then click on this intersection to set the rotation point. Now click, hold and drag. Switch to the Selection tool and let's align both shapes to the bottom left corner. Finally, select everything, switch to the Shape Builder tool and delete a few more shapes. Let's create a copy, rotate it, and using the Shape Builder tool, connect these shapes. If you wish, remove unwanted anchor points. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.